Good morning, guys. This is Andreas. Today is March 10, 2024, and here we are again at Supercar Sunday at Pierce College, of course, sponsored by Porsche Woodland Hills. So I'm gonna do a little video to show you guys what's here. Starting with this beautiful GT3, red. It's 991. And parked right behind this gorgeous 992 GT3. Let's go ahead and start from here. Here's an interesting GT4 RS. It's got like a green with the carbon fiber. Another 992 GT3, and there's a beautiful turbo G body right there. Let's see here. Another 992 GT3. Check this out. Gorgeous. This looks like a GT3 Touring. Yes, it is. Beautiful green. Gorgeous. I think I've seen this before and I've done a video on this before. It's a beautiful turbo pulling in. And there's a gorgeous Carrera 4S. There we go.
Are you in your Porsche?
And here are your Porsche enthusiasts right here. So nice 924.
What's going on with the car? Like, let's do this. Instead of can I finally have it?
It's a cool color. I believe it's wrapped. It's a gorgeous turbo convertible. Another turbo right there.
Buy the car.
GT4 RS. Beautiful turbo. And there's Mr. Sassoni right there. .944 has potential. Gorgeous GT3 RS. You guys check this out. Look how beautiful this is. Look at that color. Give you a quick shot of the interior. Check this out. Check out these seats. And this is my all-time favorite car, GT2 RS 991. I'm not a big fan of white cars, but this looks beautiful. Look at this guy's eyes. It's all about these guys right here.
Happy Sunday!
Yeah, there we go. Happy
Supercar Sunday!
Happy dry Supercar Sunday. Look at that. 992 4S. Gorgeous. Beautiful body. Nice color. It's GT4. It's gorgeous. This color. It's beautiful. GTS 4.0. And there's a Panamera GTS.
So I pull it.
It's a 993 turbo, you guys. Beautiful. Nice turbo. 997. 992 turbo. Another 997 turbo. You guys check this out.
991.1, first generation.
This is literally on the floor. Gorgeous. Look at that. By the way, I wanted to point out the GT2. This is an amazing car. Amazing. Keep coming. GT3 right there. Body. Speedster. 993. GTS 991 RS. This guy's a model right here. He models for. This guy models for Porsches. Let me see your face, sir. Oh yeah, that's the guy. That's the guy.
I'm the guy. I'm the Porsche guy. How are you, buddy?
I'm good. How are you
I thought
doing?
you were selling your car.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's for sale.
Yeah. Everything's for sale.
And what are we doing here?
Oh, we're just doing a quick video.
Live.
There you go. Beautiful
Porsche
day.
guy.
Beautiful
The yellow
day.
Porsche.
Finally, no more rain.
Oh my gosh, it's
Jesus Christ, it's killing us. I don't know about next week though.
we should have a little more, aren't we? Crazy.
All right, man. Good
Great
seeing you,
to
brother.
see
I'm gonna continue this. I don't know about having a Porsche pull up and you can't hear shit. So.
Yeah, I was watched a video that was
Yeah.
Beautiful. Targa 4S. Look at that. Look at this beautiful color. GT3 RS. Wow. Gorgeous. Another GT4. Another 924. There's a Boxster. It's a pretty good turnout today. Look at that. Check this out. 992. Check out these rims. Beautiful color too. Very subtle. This is the Cayenne Turbo GT, I believe. Yep, Turbo GT. You guys just check this out. I am in love with this car. GT2 RS. This one is a 991.2.
Which one you like better? Red one? On a Porsche? It does look good.
Those are post office cars.
The Jeep are big. The only thing I would do is I would take the tire stickers off.
Yeah, that looks nice. Well, let's.
Here's a quick look. This looks like a GT3 RS. 997.2 GT3 RS. GT4 RS Turbo. Yeah. Another beautiful car right here.
So mine's naturally aspirated. Man, it looks like an urge. Yeah, for sure. You don't have to come find us. We'll come find you.
Yeah, I mean that's the American way.
Absolutely.
Yeah, I think so. I mean,
Cars along the way.
I know. That's our biggest competition.
Held on to that.
There you have it, guys.